Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
This is me, y'all, Miss Janita, putting trying to organize my canned goods on this smaller shelf I got in the dining area. Yes, I do. So much more to do, but I got some other canned goods that I gotta situate. The bottom shelf got some other stuff on. I need to organize that down there. Organize, declutter, rotate, organize, maintenance, pantry. This is pantry maintenance. Sorry, I got my hand in the way. Pantry maintenance is happening here. That's what's going on. So I'm about to look for some fish fry right now, because we're having fish, egg roll, fries for dinner. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Start prepping, preparing for today's dinner. I hope you guys are having a great time. Thanks for supporting this channel. And let me get to what I'm supposed to be doing here. Okay, I found the fish fry. Now I got to take the fish out. That's what I'm about getting ready to do. And that's it for today. Take the fish out. I found the fish fry. So everything is gravy. Here are some wings that I am prepping, cleaning, prepping, getting ready to air fry and fry. Hot wings and fried chicken wings. Yum! Diet approved. But also, wait. I also have my husband. He went on a meat haul. Today is Tuesday, January 13, 2026. And today is the last day of last week's sale. Tomorrow is Wednesday, the start of a new sale. And we caught the end of this sale at Smart and Final, this grocery store out here in Southern California. Smart and Final. I gotta drink some water. Yes, sound like I'm choking, but I need water. But anyway, I drank one bottle, one more second. Going on. But anyway, we got 3 packs of the First Street Value Pack. Fresh, never frozen, no additives, 100%. No additives, no additives or preservatives, 100% natural, no artificial ingredients. And value pack chicken wings from Smart and Final. And they was $2.29 a pound. Couple of them, I think $7, $8 a pack. So I already opened up 2. Let me show you. This is you in the dishwater, but there go the 2 I opened. And here go 1 I'm about to open. That's the First Street brand. And also, it's about 12 wings in there. I'm about to separate and store in the freezer. That's what I'm prepping. And also, let me see. We got some, also at Smart and Final, they had chicken legs on sale. Foster Farms, 99 cents a pound. And as you can see, the yellow tag at the bottom is what they cost. $3.52. And I got one $3.68 and one is $3.82. And that's the, sorry, I was looking behind my back. Oh, there they go. I wiped it off already. And so we got 3 packs. My husband got 3 packs of the chicken legs. Nice. They nice size. Ain't too big. They kind of short. They short. They kind of short leg. But anyway, Foster Farms fresh and natural cage-free drumsticks. They also say the same. No antibiotics, hormones, all natural, and so. But that's with the meat. We got 3 packs of Foster Farm chicken legs, 99 cents a pound. Today is the last day over there at Smart and Final. I'm gonna throw this video up. Hopefully, folks out here in Southern California that like chicken legs, go get you some chicken legs. And the chicken wings, the First Street chicken wings. Here's the thing. My husband, they in there, they didn't change the price on these chicken wings in Smart and Final. They got them at regular $3.99 a pound on the package, as you can see. But online, they $2.29, coming up around $8-something like that. My husband, he got a few pounds less, and some of them $7, $8. But if you go in the store looking for these chicken wings on sale, First Street, $2.29 a pound, you have to let them know online. It's showing online, but in some stores, they might not have the right price on these First Street chicken wings. But that's an excellent deal. So we got 3 packs. Like I said, I'm about to prep and put these babies in the freezer. That's about, I did share with y'all something else that I had gotten. Is that, oh, this is probably gone with that. But anyway, y'all take care. Thanks so much for continuing to support this channel. This being added on to something else I did this morning. This all makes sense in a minute, y'all see. But if you catch this sale, today is the last day. Tomorrow is a new sale. Y'all, here go some stuff picked up. We got some tomatoes for our salad. We got some Kroger baby spring mixed. What is this? A 10-ounce box for our salad. Dark leafy greens. We got some red apples. Well, I got 4 red apples. I got a bag of Kroger Gala apples. They $5. There's some kind of sale. They keep going. $5 for a big old bag of apples. And it looked like it might be like about 10 or 12 apples in that bag, maybe. I need to count, but right now, okay, let me move on. We got some crinkle cut fries because I said we having fish today. And I got some blueberries. And I'm going to use some of these blueberries in my blueberry quick bread. I am going to be doing some bacon. And I'm going to be vacuum sealing up some cookies, cakes, and pies, stuff like that. And oh, muffins like that, muffins and stuff. I'm gonna vacuum seal them. And whatever else, I got the vacuum seal. I got some leftover foods I'm gonna vacuum seal and put that in the fridge and have that for later meals in the future. I also picked up some Kroger marinara pasta sauce. These was 3 for $5. I don't know. I guess the sale. I don't know. This might be a sale. 3 for $5. They are the, what is that? The 24-ounce jars. And we got some whitening that we gonna eat some of that for today's dinner. So yeah, this is another haul. Did I share with y'all the other haul? I don't know, but this is just another haul. Hopefully y'all checked out the previous haul, I guess. But I guess that's all. I ain't gonna mention about that banking thing that happened today if y'all ain't heard. Come Monday morning, everybody gonna know that the banks have new rules now. Okay, y'all? But that's it. That's all. That's everything. I think I hear some background noise. I shouldn't be here, but y'all, I hope that it don't get on my video because I was saying I needed quiet, but I kept hearing that background noise. That background noise. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to